Affiliate marketing has always been a go-to strategy for earning online, but in 2025, things have changed big time. With new platforms, smarter programs, and the rise of AI tools, there's a new way to make money that's turning heads. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I tried a new affiliate marketing strategy that combines automation, smart product selection, and highly targeted traffic. Spoiler alert, it actually works. Whether you're just starting or you're already familiar with terms like affiliate marketing programs, Amazon affiliate program, or CPA marketing, this strategy is something fresh and it could be your game-changer. So let's dive in. Understanding the affiliate ecosystem in 2025. Before diving into the strategy, you need to understand what's happening in the world of affiliate marketing today. Platforms have evolved. Programs have become more transparent, but also more competitive. Brands are leaning on affiliates more than ever to reach niche audiences. Key players like Amazon Associates, Rakuten Affiliate, and ClickBank alternatives dominate. But there's a new wave of high-converting affiliate networks and tools like Systeme.io Affiliate Program, Jasper.ai Affiliate Program, and Semrush Affiliate Program. The game has expanded, and to win, you need to play smart. Affiliate marketing websites today are not just blogs with reviews, they're fully optimized funnels. The most successful affiliates focus on value-first content, strategic SEO, and multi-channel promotion. Think YouTube affiliate marketing plus email affiliate marketing plus paid traffic. Choosing the right affiliate programs. This is where most beginners fail. They go for low commission or highly competitive products. I took a different approach. I started by looking at high-ticket affiliate programs. Why? Because promoting one $500 product gives a better ROI than selling $10 ones. I also looked into Shopify affiliate program, Target affiliate program, Thinkific affiliate program, and even Louis Vuitton affiliate program, which cater to different niches. Fashion, sales, learning all have huge potential. Pro tip: use affiliate networks that support transparency tracking and recurring commissions. That's how the affiliate marketing business becomes sustainable. Picking the right affiliate marketing products. Once you've chosen the program, next comes the product. I focused on three things: solving a real problem, high perceived value, evergreen relevance. I promoted fitness affiliate programs, software tools like Jasper, and email marketing affiliate programs. These products don't just offer high commissions, they're also in constant demand. Don't ignore tools with affiliate marketing links that are easy to integrate into content. Products from BigCommerce affiliate program, Ion affiliate, or even HubSpot affiliate program are easy to promote if you're in the business, SaaS, or e-com niche. Creating a funnel-based affiliate website. Forget basic websites. I built a funnel. My homepage was a lead magnet with a free checklist. Visitors gave their emails. Then, I sent them a 5-day automated email sequence filled with value and strategically placed affiliate marketing links. I used Systeme.io, which has its own affiliate program, so I was both using and promoting the tool. This type of dogfooding builds credibility and makes your promotion look more authentic. You'll want to include a blog optimized for SEO using keywords like affiliate marketing for beginners, best affiliate programs 2022, online affiliate marketing, or resource page with all your affiliate marketing products. A YouTube channel to direct traffic back to your site. Traffic strategies that worked. Let's talk about traffic. I tested Google Ads affiliate marketing, very effective for buyer intent keywords. Solo ads for affiliate marketing are good for email list building. YouTube affiliate marketing, still king in 2025. SEO blog content takes time but snowballs your traffic. I combine paid traffic for affiliate marketing with organic growth. With retargeting, I brought back visitors who didn't convert the first time. Targeted keywords included how to start affiliate marketing in 2025, ClickBank affiliate marketing for beginners, freelance affiliate marketing strategies, affiliate marketing for dummies. I also targeted brand keywords like Amazon affiliate program sign up, legendary marketer affiliate, and ClickBank alternatives. Email plus affiliate equals magic. If you're not building an email list, you're leaving money on the table. My email funnel used email affiliate marketing best practices. Warm-up sequence with 3 emails purely focused on education, Day 4 and 5 promoted my affiliate platform, segmenting based on interest to send personalized offers. I use tools from affiliate management platforms to track clicks, opens, and conversions. CPA marketing plus affiliate stack equals high ROI. Here's the secret sauce. CPA affiliate marketing layered with product promotion. While promoting a main product, say a Shopify plan, I added a CPA offer that rewards leads even if they don't buy. That's double monetization. Leads who didn't buy still earn me income. I joined CPA networks offering top-tier lead gen deals. Then, in my funnel, I stacked them just before the main offer or in the PS section of emails. What didn't work? Lessons learned. Not every experiment yielded gold. I hit a few bumps along the road that taught me important lessons. One of the first failures was using low-commission Amazon affiliate links with paid traffic. The commissions just weren't enough to justify the ad spend. And I quickly realized that unless you're getting massive volume, Amazon's commission rates are too low for paid strategies. Another learning point was relying solely on blog SEO. While it's effective in the long run, the growth is slow and unpredictable. Pairing SEO with YouTube videos and an active email sequence drastically increased engagement and conversions. Lastly, I discovered that promoting products I didn't personally use led to lower conversions. People can sense inauthenticity. The audience today is smart. They know when you're just pushing links for the sake of it. Authenticity matters more than ever. The strategies that work best combined high-ticket affiliate products with email marketing and paid traffic. That's where the real ROI came from. How you can copy this strategy step by step. If you want to replicate this approach, here's your simplified roadmap. Step 1. Choose a niche with real money potential. Think AI, fitness, finance, or SaaS tools industries with evergreen demand and high payouts. Step 2. Select 2 affiliate programs, 1 main offer and 1 CPA offer. This gives you primary income from product sales and supplemental earnings from lead actions. Step 3. Build a funnel using systeme.io. Start with a compelling lead magnet like a free checklist or mini course that gets people onto your email list. Step 4. Create a 5-day email sequence. Offer pure value in the first few emails, and then gradually introduce your affiliate links with context and trust. Step 5. Drive traffic. Use a mix of YouTube videos, Google Ads, and search-optimized blog posts to attract different segments of your audience. Step 6. Track everything. Monitor which emails convert, which ads bring quality traffic, and where your affiliate income is coming from. Improve constantly. Follow this blueprint, and you'll not only get commissions, you'll build an asset that grows over time. This is the affiliate marketing model of 2025, smart, strategic, and built for long-term gains.